Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna make some banana, coffee, chocolate pancakes. I'm not really doing it, so let's see what comes out.
Oh, so this is the recipe that people were talking about.
Yeah, that we usually
a while ago.
make. So yeah, I'm gonna take that recipe that we usually make and tweak it up a little bit, just because I feel like having like a chocolate pancake right now. So you usually start. I have
A lot of ingredients, I see.
It takes a lot of things, but it's so worth it. I usually start with chia seeds. Like I do the chia seed egg, but I'm all out. I'm using like a flaxseed mix that I had.
And then what does that have?
What? The mix?
The flaxseed.
It's just flaxseed and water. It's like a thickening.
So you can hydrate.
Yeah, so it's just gonna be like or egg replacement.
So this is 100% vegan.
Yes. And it's gluten free too.
Oh wow.
So then, actually, I'm gonna put the baking soda. You wanna mash the banana with the baking soda and the flaxseed. So that's your starter. That's gonna be the base of the pancake. And if you do this right, the pancake is gonna be really fluffy and well put together. So then you mash it. They could be a little more ripened, is that what you're saying? They could be a little darker. Like the waterier they are, it's better. But it also depends, because like then when they're too sugary, I don't like it.
So when they're ripened, like, or when they're darker, is when they have the most sugar, and that's why.
Yeah. But it all depends on how you make it. We are gonna add. Okay, I'm eyeing all of this. I could put the recipe with the exact measurements, but I'm so used to it. I know this recipe by heart, so I just.
So it's more or less, well, 2 bananas to how much flax?
Like 2 tablespoons flax seeds.
And then
I'm using here half a cup of almond flour. And I think I'm gonna use this is gluten-free flour. Gluten-free flour. It's made out of chickpeas. You can use whole wheat flour too. Usually, I usually use that one too if I have it. But if you want to make it all gluten-free, then you do this.
what are you looking for?
The 1/3. I always lose that.
Because you always put in some things.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I don't know. That's one of my measuring cups.
Because she loves leaving it like inside of containers like these, and then she's like, oh, I found it like 3 months later.
So I'm
I
gonna
mean, it doesn't take that long, but
1/4 of gluten free. Just bear with me. It's gonna come out good. And then I'm gonna pour some oats.
I mean, so, and a good secret to the recipe, I've tried to make them a bunch of times too. They don't come as good as they come out when she makes them. Truth. But I feel like you have to keep adding more or less filling the dough. Well, it's not a dough, but the mixture, and then waiting for it to absorb all the water. So that's when you know you're good.
Like if I wanted to keep it like this, I really could. It's just pasty enough, and that's just gonna give you a nice texture when you cook it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil, which I should have added at the beginning, but I forgot. When you mash the banana and the baking soda, you should also mix in the coconut oil, but it's fine. Should be fine. I'm gonna add this and almond butter. So we have almond butter here, and I'm just gonna add it. This is gonna give it more creaminess. All we have left to put is the cocoa powder, which is here. We have cocoa powder. Decided to try it. It's a new one. It's very rich, very dark.
And we bought it, I can't focus it, but from Amazon. It's a really, really good quality of baking cocoa powder. There it is.
Of cinnamon. I'd say this is like a teaspoon of cocoa powder. This one's really dark, so I think that should be enough. And this has no order. I mean, I guess it should have an order. I should put all the dry and the white, but this is how I do it, and I'm so used to it. It comes out fine.
And believe me, when I follow the order, they don't come out as good. So just do what you got, sis. And this should give me about how many pancakes?
Oh, we'll see how many come out, but I think 4 or 5. They're small and like not that many come out. Like you see, like this is not a lot of dough, it really isn't. But they fill you up. Like 2 of them, plus whatever topping you put on them, you're pretty full. So last thing, now that like I know the consistency of my dough, I'm gonna add the liquid, and I'm just gonna add a little bit and not too much, because if I add too much, then it's gonna become watery and the whole pancake is gonna be ruined. Really about half a cup, and when I don't do coffee, I do any nut milk, usually oats or almond. That's what the original recipe calls for. Look, here you go. Put it in here. You see, it just got just a little softer. It needs just the right consistency. And ready. We're ready to make pancakes. There it is. Okay, so now I have a pan going on here. I'm gonna heat it up. I'm gonna put some coconut oil so it doesn't stick. Although it sometimes doesn't work. I usually put ghee on this. This pan is weird. Let's see. Let's hope it doesn't stick. But
What?
I'm not gonna put ghee.
Please tell why is it weird.
I don't
Please.
know. I just don't know.
Because Tina made me get a pan that is non-stick,
Because it's
that is non-toxic, blah 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 blah. But it's weird. Like, I love you, Gray Jones, but you are weird.
Yeah, so like you never know with it. Sometimes things come out fine, sometimes they stick. So we'll see what's going on today. I know that when I put ghee, it doesn't stick at all, but it kind of goes, like it tastes weird with the chocolate, so whatever. I'm just gonna take coconut oil and see how it goes. Sorry. So the pan, I think it's hot enough. It shouldn't be too hot. Just like a medium heat. So I'm gonna drop the first pancake on here, and they don't need to be super big. Like a blob, and you just shape it. There's no flag. Ya se está quemando.
Ya se está quemando.
Okay, so like I predicted, it's sticking, but it's fine. After the first one,
Like I predicted it.
There we go. Whatever. It's a little monster pancake.
It's a little toasty, still eatable.
So now we just wait, and what do we want to eat it with? ¿Qué quieres poner?
Let's check our fridge. Oh la la, looks like we went grocery shopping.
Some yogurt.
We always put yogurt. Just, we might as well finish that Coca-Cola thing.
This one?
We can finish that. And then... No, maple syrup I can do. Oh, and then we have other fruit.
Oh. Okay, so we're on the last pancake. We have 4 medium to small pancakes, but like I told you, they're very, very dense, so they're definitely gonna fill you up.
And then what we have with the...
Oh, here I chopped some dark chocolate. This is our favorite dark chocolate. We buy it at Whole Foods. So here's the last one. Over here. We'll put some coconut coat. This is like a yogurt-free, dairy-free yogurt. It's coconutty and it's full of prebiotics and probiotics. It's like tangy and sweet and creamy like yogurt, but with no dairy. That's enough. Some chocolate. So now it's when I put the other pancake on top.